it's been nice. I'm not tired of it.
I mean, that's just what happens.
Is that like 140? What's the weight? Probably like 3,000. Okay, so it's pretty close in weight and power to my car. My car's a little bit more powerful, but you're only two wheels, so you're probably putting out about the same amount of power I am.
Send it.
So I'd definitely say I'm pretty reserved, like on the gas, because I feel like
I think you could. Oh god. I think you could use more acceleration. Okay. So like, if you want to ride with me, you can.
Okay.
I don't know how much you're going to be able to hear because my car still looks stupid quiet. Yours actually makes car noises. Mine just makes rattles.
Right.
But yeah, no, I think you just need you just need a little more trust in the car.
Into it a little bit.
Yeah,
well,
I think you just need to trust it a little bit more and push a little harder.
These are the first snow tires I have, so I'm getting used to like actually having grip and like, oh, I can actually still go.
Yeah, yeah. No, they're way better than like. It depends. Like I've had street tires that are just like total garbage.
Yeah.
And then I've had snow tires that were also total garbage.
Right.
So it depends on. It's a lot of factors.
Yeah.
So it's kind of hard to.
The course too. Like if the course is hard and packed.
Yeah. Well, like I mean, you see what I'm on.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on autocross tires.
Yeah.
Which
you see like that with a blatant paint up there and
yeah.
He runs RE71.
Yeah.
You might use some extra wood.
He says he learned that from me.
Yeah.
That's what he says. I tried them out here late last year just for the hell of it because I had them stacked up in my garage.
Yeah.
And I was like, you know what? I was like, I hate the 16-inch snows because there's too much sidewall. It's too balloony feeling.
Yeah.
Like I have these. I had enough points for the year. I was like, it's not gonna make any difference what I do. Like points are set. I was like, I'm gonna throw these on and see what it is. Hey, like I FTD'd like most of the tracks like the entire day until the very end. An STI on rally tires finally took me down, and that guy could drive too. So he was just tired.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Good.
Yeah. Well, good thing I've only got one run left.
What'd you do on your third run? Oh no!
58 clean.
58 clean.
I'm not catching you, but I'm holding it. Dude, that car is so much fun.
Oh my god. Maybe if it was a lighter car, you wouldn't strain your wrist trying to keep it straight. Oh man. This thing is cool. He wanted me to ride with him and give him an idea. All his lines are good. I think he doesn't trust it. He's not riding hard enough.
Yeah, and honestly, I
I asked him, do you want to ride with me? He's like, yeah, sure. And I'm thinking, I was like, now I'm going to drive way too hard trying to show off, and I'm going to friggin' fuck it up.